Hello everyone, welcome back to Shane's Shed. It's been a little while since I done my video on the brake booster change out on my Discovery 3. So in this video I'm just going to open that brake booster and we're going to see how much oil was actually in it. So I'm not too fussed about breaking this because it's going to go in the bin anyway. But we'll just see what we can find inside it. A bit of moisture in that back half. But we'll see what the front half of the diaphragm comes up with. Okay, with those nuts in the back split, you can see not a huge amount of oil has been sitting in there, but yeah, it's obviously enough to cause some leaks in the rubber. You see there's been a little bit of oil soaking through the back diaphragm, so that's the first diaphragm that that oil's been in contact with. Can't see any particular holes or anything too bad, but yeah, definitely had a little bit of oil sitting in there. At the end of the day, this was not really working. Obviously a bit more oil has gone either side of it, so it's definitely leaked through and has affected the vacuum. So there you go. So there you go, guys. That's all the oil I found in that brake booster. Probably not as much as what I was thinking, but obviously enough to cause havoc with the brake system. So if you're having issues with losing brake vacuum, I'd definitely be checking for the oil in there and yeah, look at changing out that brake booster. So yeah, that's I'll probably leave this video here now, guys, and if you've enjoyed this content, then don't forget to like and subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.